Hey there, my name is Yannick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy WeGro via Pancake Swap using your Trust wallet. The first thing you want to do is download the Binance and Trust Wallet app and set up your account if you haven't already. Once you have done that, open Binance and hit the wallet icon in order to buy your crypto. Choose BNB and type the amount you wish to buy. Once you have completed the transaction, your portfolio will open up. Simply tap on BNB and withdraw in the left corner. Open Trust Wallet, select Receive and Smart Chain. Copy your address by hitting the button. Go back to Binance and paste your address. Make sure the network is Binance Smart Chain and select the amount you wish to withdraw. I'm going to select Max. Hit Withdraw and confirm. The next thing you want to do is go back to your Trust Wallet, tap on Apps and select Pancake Swap. Select the token by tapping here. Now go to the WeGro website and copy the address. Paste it in the address area and hit import. Type the amount of BNB you wish to exchange and hit connect wallet. Select Trust Wallet and connect. Before we hit swap, let's head to the setting icon and set the slippage in 10%. Now hit swap and confirm. Approve the transaction and close Pancake Swap. Let's head over to our Trust Wallet for the last time. Hit the setting icon and scroll all the way down and select Add a custom token. On the top, let's select Network and change it to Smart Chain. Paste the same WeGro address we used before and add the information you see on screen. Congrats, you're all set.